Every chip begins in the soil, nurtured by sun and rain.
Farmers carefully check each tuber for perfect quality. Modern machinery ensures efficiency without harming the crop.
Quality control starts right in the fields. Size sorting ensures uniform chips later in the process. Careful handling prevents bruising before transport. From soil to trailer, every step is measured. The journey to the factory begins under careful supervision. Every potato travels miles before reaching the processing line. Here, raw harvest meets industrial precision. Smooth transfer maintains the integrity of each tuber.
Even before processing, human eyes ensure only the best potatoes enter.
From farm to factory, the journey continues toward crisp perfection.
The journey continues. The journey continues as potatoes move toward their first processing stage.
Precise measurement ensures consistent batch sizes for production. Large volumes are handled carefully to prevent damage. Automation begins to take over the transport process. Every potato finds its way onto the production line. Routing is precise, designed to keep production seamless.
Continuous monitoring ensures safety and quality.
From storage to production, potatoes glide through controlled pathways. Precision controls keep the line running smoothly. Vertical lifts optimize space while keeping production efficient. Every movement is calculated for consistency and speed. The factory transforms raw harvest into organized production flow.
Next, they meet the first stage of purification and sorting.
High-pressure washes strip away every trace of soil and grit.
Human eyes ensure only the best tubers move forward.
Mechanical sorting standardizes the crop for uniform chips. Gravity guides each tuber seamlessly to the next step. Clean equipment is essential to maintain potato purity. Every angle is rinsed to perfection before peeling.
Technology detects imperfections invisible to the human eye.
A final rinse guarantees a spotless, ready-to-process tuber.
Drying prevents slipping and prepares potatoes for peeling precision.
Flow consistency is key to keeping production on schedule. Peeling begins the transformation from raw tuber to chip. Even before peeling, only the best proceed.
And now, the first step in turning raw potatoes into chips.
Precision slicing begins the transformation of potato to chip. Each slice is cut perfectly for the ideal crunch.
Human oversight ensures uniformity in every batch.
Hot oil awaits to transform raw slices into crispy chips.
Cooking is precise to achieve perfect texture and color.
Every degree matters for consistent chip quality.
Automation guarantees each chip is cooked evenly.
Draining removes excess oil, preparing chips for flavoring.
Seasoning adds the signature taste to every chip. Continuous sampling ensures flavor is consistent across batches. Cooling prepares chips for handling without breaking.
Every batch is visually verified for perfection.
With frying complete, the journey continues toward the final product.
Flavoring is carefully applied to give each chip its signature taste. Taste checks ensure every batch meets exact standards.
Safety checks eliminate any foreign objects before packaging. Only the perfect pieces move forward for packaging. Maintaining ideal temperature prevents moisture damage and preserves crunch.
Color sorting guarantees visual perfection in every bag.
Human oversight complements automated perfection.
Merging batches ensures consistency for every package.
Every batch receives the perfect finishing touch of flavor.
Cooling locks in crunch while preparing chips for final checks.
Precision ensures every bag has exactly the right amount.
Texture and moisture are verified to maintain perfect crunch.
With processing complete, chips move into high-tech automation for final packaging. Automation ensures every bag contains exactly the right amount. Robotics handle each portion with speed and accuracy. Sealing locks in freshness for every chip bag. Labels add both identification and a professional finish. Vision systems catch any imperfection before storage. Flawed bags are removed, maintaining quality standards.
Robots organize the final product efficiently and safely.
Shrink wrapping secures pallets for transport without damage. Final inspection guarantees every pallet meets factory standards. Automation moves finished pallets safely into storage.
Every bag is now safely stored, ready for shipment worldwide.
Careful loading ensures products arrive in perfect condition.
And now, the chips begin their journey to consumers around the globe. After countless precision steps, the final product stands ready. And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.